Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a recovery email in Gmail. So let's get into it. First of all, go to your Google account. Click Personal Info. Under Contact Info, click Email. And then add Recovery Email. You might need to sign in. Enter your recovery email. Click Next. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your recovery email. Finally, click Verify to confirm. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.